Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So what's going on? What's the prediction of Dogecoin and upcoming days? They moving upward, they fails down. And what's the new target of Dogecoin? Do they hit $1 or not, my friend? And this month especially, my friend. And what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything in this video is going very special. So kindly subscribe every channel before I get start this video. Please click out the red button for latest news and update. Thank you so much, my friends. Please subscribe. Okay, this time you can see here, my friend, the last 7 days chart I already opened. And if you can see here the production of you this time, my friend, you can see here they're going off, and this is the one big reason, my friend, today going off like a rocket. And the reason is that, my friend, to this is the end of month. You can see here at the end of April, my friend, every cryptocurrency at the end of month going off like a rocket. And the reason is that to everyone, especially the short investor, my friend, who invest for a short time, starting buying, then absolutely they're going off like a rocket. So therefore I think the big reason is that to the people starting buying and they're going off like a rocket. So my friend, this is the start of month, and I think also they fails down at the start of month. Every cryptocurrency, my friend, fails down, especially at the start of month. So please be remembered to, I hope the first week, my friend, you can see here, oh my goodness, Dogecoin is also in the last in the first month, my friend, they're going off like a rocket. But I can't believe it too, in the morning, my friend, they fails down. Therefore I decide to tell you, my friend, to please don't sell it. Okay, so my opinion is that, my friends, to please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they can hit, if they hit $1, my friend, $1/2 they easily hit it. And this week, my friend, and the next target as $1, I hope they can hit at the end of this month. Elon Musk especially, my friend, this target mag, so I hope they can hit it easily. So this time you can see here the last 1 hour chain occur is also in positive 6.09%, they're going up. So Dogecoin holders, be remember, to they make you millionaire. Absolutely they make you millionaire. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. And if you want to invest this time, absolutely a good time, my friends. Buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Please, and research personally. This is not a financial video, so kindly research personally. Thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.